Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you thinking about buying lovebrick.com? Wait before you send your money. You need to watch this review. I looked into this site and what I found might surprise you. Lovebrick sells custom brick couple figures. They look like small building blocks shaped like people with a heart background. The site promises personalized gifts for weddings, birthdays, and special occasions. Sounds cute, right? But here is where things get messy. First, the site is brand new. It has only been around for 2 months, and that is a big warning sign. Trust scores from different sites give it a medium to low rating. One site scored it 53 out of 100, one other gave it 67. Not great. The website uses free shopping tools, which means they might not have that strong security or good customer support. They are hosted through Shopify, but that does not mean they are safe. Now, let us talk about real customer reviews. This is where things get worse. Multiple people on Trustpilot say the product looked nothing like the pictures. The bricks come in plastic bags, and you have to build them yourself. Also, there are no instructions included. Customer reports getting the wrong colors, wrong items, and pieces that do not match the photos online. One person said the heart piece was 3 times smaller than shown. The faces are not painted, just cheap prints. When people try to cancel orders or get refunds, the company refuses. Their emails go ignored, and customer service sends robot replies that do not help. One buyer said they are trying to make it a legal matter. So, is lovebrick.com a scam? While they might send you something, it will not be what you expected. The quality is poor, customer service is terrible, and getting refunds is nearly impossible. My advice: save your money and do not buy from lovebrick.com. There are better places to get personalized gifts. Stay safe online and always read reviews before you shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.